Hello, how are you today? Coming to you today with 12 data entry jobs from home, and they're hiring right now as we speak for 2019. Before I go any further, I want to say thank you. I want to thank you straight off the bat. Thank you for coming to my channel, showing love for my channel, and don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't forget any notifications that I will be giving out, or you'll get when I do a new video. You'll be the first one to get notified of the new video that I do. Okay, starting with number 1, it's called Assurance in Chicago, Illinois. A telephone rep, $15 to $45 an hour. Inside sales or call center experience. So you got to have one or the other. Inside sales or call center experience. No income caps. Work when you can. You can work whenever you want, and you can make up to $45 an hour, which is not too, I think that's pretty cool. Make it $45 an hour. Number 2, I have 12, so make sure you stay with me so you don't miss on any of the jobs. You might like the last job, the 12th job. So don't forget to stay with me, okay? So I can give you the whole 12. And I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Number 2 is called PowerPoint and PowerPoint Remodeling. And this is in Chicago, Illinois. Entry-level sales, $45,000 to $60,000 a year in commission. You must develop and coordinate marketing strategies. A BA or a BS is preferred for this position because you're going to be making up to at least $60,000 a year. Number 3 is called Homex in Chicago. As a business rep, identify sales opportunity through direct prospecting, inbound lead follow-up. Number 4 is called Award Spring in Chicago, Illinois. Sales rep, $40,000 to $42,000 a year in commission. That, I think that is so freaking cool. Develop the imperative skills to further your career in sales. Begin to nurture leads on your own. Number 5. We're already on number 5, y'all. I got you. Don't worry about it. I got you. The CSI Company in Chicago, Illinois. Certified medical coder. A certified medical coder. Review medical record information to identify all appropriate of the diagnosis codes based on CMS HSS categories. Code based on CMS HCC categories. You must have 2 years of working as a certified medical coder. Sorry about that. Number 6 is called Manulife. Work at home customer service rep. Productivity expectation to maximize team service levels. Seize opportunities to offer self-service tools. That's pretty simple. Number 7 is called Mckeeson. Is an account manager. It's called Mckeeson. If I'm saying it right, I apologize. Must be able to work predominantly independently, which is from home, within managerial guidelines for all customers. Number 8 is called Forward Air Inc. Customer service rep. Answer incoming customer calls and provide detailed information to the customers. Strong verbal and written communication skills. Number 9 is called Realty Associates in New York City, a virtual office assistant, $15 to $18 an hour. $15 to $18 an hour, and this is a part-time position. Implement and maintain a filing system, a bachelor's in business. So you can make up to $18 an hour, but you have to have your bachelor's degree in business. Number 10 is called Stevens International in Chicago, a relocation coordinator. Listen and problem solving skills, excellent math skills, and I know I'm not good at math, so this wouldn't even be for me. But if you are good in math and problem solving skills, this is the job for you. And this is in Chicago, Illinois, and you're going to be generating, booking, and making the orders, like putting the orders into the computer, into the database. And this is in Chicago. Number 11 is called Professional Benefit Administrators in Chicago, Illinois. Healthcare customer service rep, $16 to $20 an hour. I think that is pretty good. For healthcare, handle a minimum of 70 calls per day to provide quality customer service to callers. So you're going to be making at least 70 calls a day. But the good thing is that you can make up to $20 an hour for making stuff. You know how, listen, if you think about it, people be making calls all day, so why not get paid for it? You know what I'm saying? Why you could get paid $20 an hour just for being courteous to the customers, and quality control. Listen, this is even better. Full benefits is also available for prospective customer service reps. So not only will you get $20 an hour, the least you could get is $16 an hour. Not only will you get $20 an hour, but they got full benefits: medical, dental, all the benefits. Number 12 is called Mediate North Shore in Northbrook, Illinois. Customer service rep must have excellent administrative and phone skills, excellent people skills, as well as being organized. Skills are required for this position. Organizational skills are required for this position. You got to have excellent administrative skills and phone skills as well. The number 11, you can make up to $20 an hour, and that one is in Chicago, Illinois. So a professional benefit administrator, and these are 12, all data entry. All of them is work from home, so you don't have to come out of your home for nothing except for to get something to eat or take a break or something like that. These are really cool jobs. So I just wanted to bring these to you. And don't forget, if you want your own website or your own, at least your private personal blog, don't forget, guys, sign up for Bluehost. Bluehost is is in the top 5 of the best web hosting companies. Now they will help you sign up. Is an easy sign up. It takes like maybe 5 minutes, and you will get your very own website or your very own blog. It's all up to you, but it's like $3.99 a month. You know how many web hosting companies is not even close to $4? They are so expensive a month. But this one, if you sign up today, it costs $4, $2.99 to $3.99 a month. That's all you have to pay. And you have your own blog. You have your own website. It's your choice. And you know what? They have all the tools that will help you in your decision. So just, you know, consider it. And you know what? For you supporting my hustle, I will get a commission. You will get an awesome blog or awesome website. So we both going to be winning both ways. So I'm glad you came to my channel. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any notifications that I do. And I do these work from home jobs every week, fresh every freaking week, because I know you, and I know you like want to side hustle, you want to work from home. That's what I want to bring to you every week. I want to bring to you the fact that you have an option to look at all these jobs, because I have a whole playlist of jobs that you can look through, and you're going to find something that you're going to actually like. I got side hustles. I got some things you could do on your phone, some survey sites you could do on your phone, get paid daily through PayPal. I have all of it. But if you don't subscribe to the channel, I can't help you. So when you leave this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, share the video. And to all my subscribers, I want to thank you so much. Much love to you. You have no idea how much I love you guys. I so appreciate you. And I just want you to know how heartfelt it feels to me that you're actually here. And to the potential subscribers, you that's watching this video, I want to thank you as well, because you're going to be part of my family, and that means a lot to me, because that means that I'm helping somebody out in some way, you know, to get a job from home. A lot of people don't want to work in the street, and everything is changing. The technology is changing, and that's why I want to be part of that. I want to bring the jobs to you who's watching this video, you know. And if you could make some money, you could get a weekly check, that's even better. Then I want to give you that opportunity so you can make money, bring it to your home, pay your bills, so you ain't got to borrow it from nobody, you know. Because, you know, people rough. Seriously, I've been there and I know. So I wish they had people like me online to help me, because I would have been got a work from home job, been got it. But I'm giving you the opportunity, so you don't have to do, and you don't have to work hard. I got you. So like and subscribe, share the video, hit that bell notification so you don't forget. So you don't, you know, so you can have an opportunity to get a job, or, you know, get some type of job that's going to help you in your life. That's what I'm here. All right. So take care. Enjoy this beautiful hot freaking weather, and click on one of these links today. Start working and making some dough. Thank you so much. I love you guys so freaking much. You have no idea. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.